What's up, Giz Army? Welcome to my crib. Hi y'all. So as you can see from the title, this is my empty house tour. This is my first home, so bear with me. The utilities aren't on yet, but the lighting is bomb, so y'all will be able to see everything. Right now we are currently standing in my living room. I have someone coming to decorate my home, but anyway, this is the living room. Very spacious. We have this wonderful ceiling fan. I love ceiling fans. Can't live without them. I'm getting hot. Come on this way. I'll go to the kitchen. This right here is my wonderful kitchen. This is the favorite part. This is my favorite part of my home. I particularly love this bar and the light fixtures here. We definitely are gonna add 2 bar stools here so that I can turn up the machine. All brand new appliances, gas stove. This right here will be where I have my dining room. Y'all will definitely see a furnished house tour, so make sure you subscribe to my freaking channel so you guys don't miss that at all, because I'm gonna tell you, Della Henry finna turn this thing into fucking palace. A palace. She about to make things happen. So come this way. This will be my yoga studio, aka my gym. So we'll have yoga mats in here. We'll also have gym equipment, and this right here, will be where we store everything in the gym. I'll probably add shelves in there just for storage. We'll have blankets, you know, things like that, for when my guests come into the building. But yeah, this is my yoga room. Now let's go see the bedroom. Actually, we should go outside first. We're gonna go out the door. Alright y'all, so this is my backyard. Very, very spacious. Definitely ideal for, you know, a single family home for whenever I decide to throw out some kids. But yes, definitely big and spacious enough for, you know, a mini basketball court, playground, whatever I want to be out here. But yeah, that's the outside, and this brand new deck that will probably paint at some point. But with that being said, we gonna head back inside. Alright, let's go. Bathroom. This will be the guest bathroom. Okay, so we have right here, we have our sink, and then we have this awesome mirror and light fixture. And here, toilet and the shower with a full tub. So that is the guest bathroom. Moving on to bedroom number 1. One thing in here that is definitely missing is the ceiling fan. I definitely want a ceiling fan. While these light fixtures are great, like I said before, I always want a ceiling fan. Definitely want my guests to have a ceiling fan. So there's that. The guest closet, you know, pretty regular, schmegular, degular. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I don't really know who's gonna be using it, but we can use that for storage too. You know what I'm saying? Next bedroom. We have bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2. This is probably where, you know, I'll have my dukes or dad, you know, whoever, family come. This is probably, we call it the grandma suite. But yeah, we also gotta put light fixtures in here. And then here is the grandma closet. A lot more spacious than in room 1, but yes. Follow me to the master. All right, this is my room, or the master bedroom. The master bedroom, which I'm super glad the master bedroom has a ceiling fan. Yep. Oh, I forgot to mention all hardwood floors throughout my home, with the exception of the kitchen and the bathroom and the yoga room. On to the bathroom. Here is the master bathroom. One thing that is missing from my master bathroom is my mirror, but I will get one custom made for this bathroom. And then we have this awesome sink, light fixtures, big window with great lighting, toilet. And then this custom shower with a seat, awesome shower head and shower fixtures.
Got a light?
Yes, and then I'm also gonna get a custom door for this shower as well. So, y'all, that concludes my first home, empty home tour. Be sure to comment below what you think. If you have any suggestions on what I can put in my home, anything that I should change or keep the same, drop them in the comments. Thumbs up this video, and again, be sure to subscribe to The Life of Leslie LATRICE. I love you all. I will see you all on my next upload. It is your girl, Leslie LATRICE, and remember to always protect your peace. we have our sink. You gotta get you.
No, I'm trying not to get me. It was a closet.
And then here is Negro.
I'm sorry.
Follow me to the master. All right, we good. And sing.